Good morning, children. Today I am going to take up your lesson 1 of literature book How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be. In this chapter, Daddy has many desires. His desires are ever changing. All of you also want to be something in life, right? Some wants to become engineers, doctors, pilot, and so on. Children often fail to understand various professions and responsibilities that go with them. They get confused about choosing a career and what they want to become when they grow up. Their minds are ever changing. Author's father also had an ever changing opinion about what he wanted to be when he grew up, until somebody told him that everybody has to be a good human being first. Children, you have just seen a boy thinking deeply. This is the daddy of the author Alexander Ruskin, a Russian author. When he was young or as old as you are. As a young boy, Ruskin's daddy used to think of what he wanted to be. When daddy was quite young, he was often asked, "What you want to be when you grow up?" Then Daddy's answer was always ready, and each time his answer was different. First of all, Daddy wanted to be a night watchman, and everyone got surprised when they heard that Daddy wanted to be a night watchman, and they also asked the reason behind this. He answered that a night watchman's job appears to be an attractive one because he is awake when everybody else is asleep, and he can shout loudly whereas everybody else is sleeping quietly. He was pretty sure that he wanted to be a night watchman. And one day, when he saw an ice cream man with his bright green cart means 2 or 4-wheeled vehicle used for carrying goods. He got attracted towards that, and his mind again changed to become an ice cream man. And the reason for becoming an ice cream vendor was that an ice cream vendor can eat as much ice cream as he likes and can also offer it to the children free of cost. Little Daddy's parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream man. It was also quite funny for them, but he thought it would be a very tasty way of being grown up. A few days later, the author's father went to the railway station and saw a shunter. Shunter means a person who moves a railway train from one track to another. He found it interesting how a shunter plays with the cars and locomotives. Locomotive means railway engine. Now he was sure that he will become a shunter. On hearing this, his father asked him about ice cream. But little Daddy explained it quite clearly. He said that it is not very hard at all. He will sell ice cream in the morning, and after selling it for a while, he will go to the station, and there he will shunt some cars and go back to sell some more ice creams. On hearing this, everyone started laughing. The little daddy got angry and said, "If you are going to laugh at me, I will be a night watchman besides. After all, there is nothing to do at night." It was all settled now. But then, Daddy wanted to be a pilot. Pilot means one who flies aeroplanes. Then he wanted to be an actor. And after that, he decided to be a turner. Turner is a person who operates a machine. And he also wanted to be a sailor, or at least a shepherd, and spend his days walking about with the cows, cracking his whip loudly. Shepherd means a person whose job is to look after sheep. Cracking means making a sharp noise, and whip means a cord or strip of leather with handle that is used for hitting people or animals. He keeps on changing his mind every day. And finally, he decided to be a dog. Have you ever heard that anyone wanted to become a dog? But this was the choice of the author's daddy, that he decided to become a dog. He started practicing how to run on four legs all day and also tried to bite an old lady. In spite of practicing, he could not learn how to scratch behind his ear with his foot. One day, when he was pretending to be a dog, an officer who was passing by asked him what he was doing. The author's father replied that he wanted to become a dog. The officer was very surprised to hear that and he asked him what kind of a human being you are if you can't even be a dog. The officer was not laughing and did not even smile, and he went away. But little Daddy suddenly felt ashamed of himself and he began to think. He thought, and the more he thought, the more ashamed he was of himself. The officer had not explained anything to him, but he suddenly understood that he couldn't change his mind every day. And what was most important, he realized that he was too small to know what he wanted to be. The next time he was asked the same question, he remembered the officer and said, I want to be a human being. Now, this time, no one laughed. And little Daddy understood that this was the best answer of all. So, dear children, what we have learned from this lesson that we have to be a good human being first. This is most important than being a pilot, a doctor, a shepherd, and an ice cream man. So, dear children, what we have learned from this lesson? That the most important is to be a good human being first, instead of being a pilot, an engineer, a doctor, an ice cream man, or so on. So, before becoming anything else, become a human first. So, this was all about the story. Have a nice day ahead.